WorldRemit Account Locked. Fix. Has your WorldRemit account been locked? This usually happens for security reasons, but it can be fixed. Just follow these steps to unlock your account safely. Step 1. Understand the lock reason. When you see the account lock message, check your email or in-app notifications. WorldRemit will usually explain why your account was locked. Step 2. Follow unlock instructions. Open the email from WorldRemit and follow the instructions provided. This often includes entering a verification code or confirming your identity. Step 3. Secure your account. After unlocking, update your password and enable two-factor authentication if available. This helps prevent your account from being locked again. Step 4. Contact WorldRemit support. If you can't unlock your account using the provided steps, contact WorldRemit support through live chat or phone for assistance. Once these steps are completed, your WorldRemit account should be accessible again. Keeping your account secure helps avoid future lockouts.